And one other last thing about like how you eat. When you eat this way, because it's like so light on your system and easy to digest and easy to move through, easy to poop, you will feel hungrier faster. Like you won't feel that like the heavy, stuffed, like full, like big feeling in your tummy where you're like ready to fall asleep, or you're just tired or de-energized or like thirsty and like dehydrated, and it's all going to leave easy and fast, little to no residue in your intestines. It's going to, when you do, you might want to eat more fruits sooner. You might eat a bit more regularly, or at least bigger amounts. But it's a really beneficial, positive thing. You're going to feel better, more mental clarity. That's how I feel. I definitely feel a lot more mental clarity. Just more focus, more. I did way more cleaning in the house today, like way more. I just kept on top of things like brilliantly. But like, 3 kids in the house and myself, my partner. I just kept on top of things like a lot better. I was just overall in a better mood. Not that I'm not like too much of bad, better mood. Definitely better mood. More energy means better mood. Get way more things done, more inspired, more creative as well. My business, my work, my video course. So if anyone's interested in my video course, just check out the link below as well. Or private message me, because I don't think I have the link up yet. Or my gift book, or my other paid book as well. I have a paid book too. Please let me know about that. If you want a signed copy as well, let me know. Another last thing, if you do poop as you eat and it goes out of your stomach fast, through your intestines easily, into your blood easily, and into your cells easily, what will happen when you finally poop? It won't be sticky and it won't stick to the toilet. So it's going to flush away easily, like water. It's like very watery and easy to flush away. So how things stick to your toilet is how things are sticking to your intestines and sticking in your stomach. That's a crucial thing. And if we had any like fair system of education, we'd know this from the age we were like 5 or whatever, something very young. It's imperative. So observe that in yourself, and you'll notice that when you have concentrated fats or cooked starches or cooked dead animals, you will notice that. Even if it's raw as well, you will notice that in the toilet. So happy pooping to you. But yeah, I think that's it, more or less. Just want to include that part. And one last thing I want to say about transition to just fruits or just fruits and greens. I feel like it's a lot easier to do from a mucusless diet, starchless, very low to no starch, cooked starch or concentrated fat. From that diet, for example, like I said, including broccoli, cauliflower or courgette, or something like celeriac, or cooked greens, cooked spinach, cooked that type of stuff, asparagus, that's starches as well, as far as I'm aware. It's easier to go onto a mucusless raw diet, which is fruits and tender greens, from that, than from going from an ordinary raw food diet, which has like too much like fat and nuts and seeds. Like earlier on, I forgot to mention, as well as having almond milk, I was also having pecans and dates, right? Like most days, quite a lot of pecans too, and avocado as well, or even sometimes vegan mayo. Typically my salads do just a little bit of the vegan mayo, like a tablespoon maybe. It's harder to switch from that, give up all the concentrated fats, to go into the fruits and tender greens. I think it's easier to do it the other way around, which I'm mentioning in this video. So just something to bear in mind, at least to reduce and have more of the fruits, or the fruits and the greens. I think it's easier to get off starchless stuff than fatty stuff.